Welcome to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this content, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this is my personal experience with the platform. In today's video, we're taking a look at Metro Bank, specifically their online banking platform found at https://www.metrobankonline.co.uk. This website serves as the digital gateway for Metro Bank customers to manage their finances, offering a range of services accessible from the comfort of their own homes or on the go. Navigating the site, users can expect to find tools and features for everyday banking tasks such as checking account balances, reviewing recent transactions, and transferring funds between accounts. Beyond these core functionalities, the Metro Bank online platform likely provides options for paying bills, setting up standing orders, and managing direct debits, simplifying regular payments and ensuring timely settlements. Customers may also be able to access services like applying for loans, credit cards, or other financial products directly through the website. Security measures, such as multi-factor authentication and encryption, are likely in place to protect user data and prevent unauthorized access. Furthermore, the platform may integrate with mobile banking apps, enabling users to seamlessly manage their accounts across devices. The website's design is probably aimed at providing a user-friendly experience, allowing customers to quickly and easily access the services they need. Further exploration of the website will reveal specific details regarding the available features, security protocols implemented, and customer support options. It's worth noting that features and functionalities can change over time, so it's always a good idea to refer to the official Metro Bank website for the most up-to-date information. Finally, while online banking offers significant convenience, it's crucial for users to be vigilant about online security best practices, such as protecting their passwords and being wary of phishing scams.